Hello mga Ka-Toto! Welcome to another vlog full of light and love! This is Tori! And I encourage everyone to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more video updates about business, events, growth and development, inspirational and motivational that will help you unleash your breakthrough. For this video mga Ka-Toto, another exciting topic na naman po tayo for startup companies or mga bagong business owners or entrepreneurs. This is actually a good way to effectively sell your value, not your price. Tori. Number one mga Ka-Toto is to stand out from your competitors. Through this, they will be able to differentiate kung ano ba yung pinagkakaiba mo doon sa mga ibang company or competitors na same as with your service. So it is important for you to have an inventory of your skills, experience, and knowledge. And kung ikaw ay merong specialty or expert sa isang field, this is your advantage to get ahead from your competitors. And second mga Ka-Toto is set your bars high. So you have to have standards. You have to know your worth and the value that you offer. Kasi there are many clients who will bid an offer for them to get huge discounts. So maaring sila ay mga potential prospects. Pero if you think na hindi ka naman nababayaran ng sapat, don't waste your time. At the end of the day, remember, only those clients who know your worth and value are the ones who are serious and loyal clients who are willing to pay for your work. Third mga Ka-Toto is do not compete on price, compete on value. Marami sa mga competitors natin ang mabababa ang price. And hindi mo kailangang sumabay doon. Well, it all depends on you. Pero, tandaan nyo in competing on price, there is no special skills, experience, or knowledge required. All you have to do is just to low down your price. Pero at the end of the day, kumita ka ba? Diba? Nakuha mo ba yung presyong gusto mo? Nakuha mo ba yung ideal clients na hinahangad mo? Syempre, hindi. Definitely, baka abonado ka pa, lugi ka ba? So, if you want to get paid what you are worth, you have to visibly demonstrate your value to your clients. Competing on price does not create value. Remember that. And next mga Ka-Toto is create a value on the eyes of your clients. So you just really have to educate them how much work you put in for you to execute a certain service or product. Napaka-importante niyan that your clients know about it. So that alam nila yung halaga mo as a service provider or product provider at hindi sila manghihinayang na magbayad ng malaki sa'yo. You just really have to list down kung ano-ano ba yung mga services or skills or knowledge na meron ka to add value doon sa serbisyong ibinibigay mo. And you have to let your clients know that the value you offer is worth their investment. Why? Because they will be able to save more time and energy while you execute everything on their behalf. If you are offering products, you just have to emphasize the benefits that they will get from the investment na ilalabas nila doon sa pagbili ng produkto mo. And the next one mga Ka-Toto is to educate and be transparent to your clients on how much you make. Siyempre marami sa mga clients or customers na iniisip nila, ang mahal naman ito, ang laki naman ito maningil without thinking kung magkano nga ba yung mga overhead expenses mo as a business owner. You just have to let them know kung magkano ba yung mga kailangan mong gastusin, magkano ba yung raw materials, and kung magkano nga lang ba talaga yung kinikita mo para hindi nila isipin na malaki yung patong mo. And you're just giving the right price for you to earn the right amount that you need. And next one, remember to attract your ideal clients or choose your ideal customers. Syempre, dapat choosy ka as a business owner. Bakit? Kasi kung hindi mo pipiliin yung tamang client or ideal client na gusto mo, chances are, magiging toxic lang yung trabaho sa'yo. You're not just after with the money. You're also after doon sa enjoyment mo, doon sa pagbibigay ng serbisyo, doon sa kliyente. So remember, the true professionals are the ones who are in control, not the client. Because that's how you can control your business, by listing all the attributes that you want na gusto mong pagbigyan ng serbisyo at gusto mong maging katrabaho as a service provider or product provider. Lastly, mga Ka-Toto, you have to reject price shoppers. What does that mean? Meaning to say, these are the clients or the people who make their decisions to buy a product based on the price and not with the value. Actually, based on the studies, 15 to 18% lang ang ganitong klaseng customers. And the rest, the majority, they look after for the value that they will get. So, mga Ka-Toto, lesson is, bottom line is, if clients do not see your value, you just really have to let them go and refer them to a competitor na babagay sa kanila. And that is another learning topic, mga Ka-Toto. So, kung meron pa kayong gustong idagdag or kung may gusto kayong probably a review or another topic na i-discuss, all you have to do is to let me know in the comment section. And para po sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell for more video updates. And this is it. This is Tori signing out. Keep spreading light and love. Goodbye.